Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Rodan from the new Netflix Godzilla Singular Point. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Singular Point Rodan, we're going to begin with the eye. So we're going to start right about here, and we're just going to make a little line that's going to go up and then down and up for a little football shape. Then there's going to be a couple little kind of wrinkly shaped circle lines right around it. Next we're going to make a line that goes up and down. And I'm going to bring this line down here. Then we're going to go out and bring it right back up towards the eye. Now starting up here, we're going to make another little line that goes up and down. And we're going to make some lines that go up and down, just a couple little long pointy lines. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and then I'm going to come right around here. Then this line's going to go up and down for the mouth. Next we're going to make a little line that's going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, right around there. And I'm going to draw another little line up and down over here for the other eye. For the back of the head, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, and it's going to go down, and it's going to come right around the mouth. It's almost got like a pterodactyl look. Then we'll make another line that's going to come down, and it's going to come right to here. Then starting here, I'm just going to add a couple little extra lines. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. And then we're going to add these kind of curved little lines in here. They're going to get a little bit smaller as they go down. So you just go down and then in. And they're going to get a little smaller as they come closer towards the bottom. Make a little bump at the end. Now starting here, we're going to go down. We're going to come to a point and up. Another down to a point up, down to a point up. Next here, we're going to go down. We're going to come up and then down here. And then right here, we're going to make this line come down. We're going to make a little pointed foot here, a little pointed claw here, and another little pointed claw right here. Make another little one here, and then we're going to go up and over. Then we need to make a long line that's going to come up to a point, and then it's going to come right down here for the wing. And then we're going to add another little line right here. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to add a little claw here, and another little claw right here. Then we're going to go up and over. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come back to the neck, and it's going to come up to a point, and it's going to come down. And we'll add another little longer line right there. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. Now over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down. Then we're going to add 3 little pointy toes on it. Then we come up, and we're going to connect to here. Starting here, we're going to make a long line that's going to go out like this for the tail. Then I'm just going to redraw this line, but just make it a little bigger as I come back. I'm going to add some kind of bumpy lines on here. It almost kind of looks like a leaf at the end of his tail. Okay, now here is our basic drawing of our Godzilla singular point Rodan. Now we just want to come in here and add all of the different details. So right up here by the eye, we're going to make a couple of lines that are going to go up and then over, and another one here. And I'm going to do the same thing at the top. I'm going to put a couple little pointy lines here and then run a line that's going to go right up to here. I'm going to add a little curved line here. And we're going to make just some kind of wiggly little lines that go all the way down to here. And we're just going to add some nice long little lines right in here. Make a nice line that goes around here. And another little line right back here. A couple little lines over here. I'm just going to make some quick little broken lines over here and a couple more right around the face. We want to add some little claws, and I always like to add a couple little extra lines with them. And we'll do that on all the feet, just a couple little claws. And just add a couple little lines just to make it look like they're wrinkled and that they're actually sitting into the foot. We're also going to add another little line here just to kind of show where there's more parts of the wing connected. We're going to add some kind of long little broken lines right around here. And then just a few more kind of long lines over here. Maybe a couple little long broken lines up here as well. A couple little detail marks here. And a few little lines right around there. A couple little broken lines on the tail. And then maybe a couple more little lines right along the head. And then right here we're just going to add a little circle shape for the eye. And we're going to add just a couple little quick lines on the wings. And there you go, there is your drawing of your Godzilla singular point Rodan. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.